Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to another powerful update, another step forward in this journey. I hope you're doing well, staying focused, staying consistent, because consistency is what builds results over time. Before we move ahead, take a second, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and stay connected with us. Because every day we are sharing real execution, real progress, and real learning. And if you are serious, if you want to understand how everything works step by step, then message us on WhatsApp. We are always there to guide you, to support you, and to help you move in the right direction. Today we are on day 3 of our new challenge. After completing our previous $500 challenge successfully, where we delivered exactly what we planned, we moved forward with a bigger challenge. We started from $1,500, and our goal is to grow this account step by step toward $15,000. This is day 3 of the challenge, and we are continuing with the same discipline, the same structure, and the same consistency. We selected this challenge, and we are here to deliver it. Once again, welcome to day 3 of the challenge. Let me ask you something. How is your trading going? Are you consistent, or are you still facing losses? Are you following a proper system, or are you still guessing the market? Write in the comments. Share your experience, because your feedback helps us understand you better. Right now the market is active. Both crypto and Forex are moving with opportunities, but without a structured approach, it becomes difficult to stay consistent. This is why having a proper system matters. And platforms like Deriv give flexibility to execute strategies in a controlled way. Today, day 3, we continued our challenge. We started by analyzing different indices. And at that moment, volatility 51-second was the better option. And again, let me clarify this clearly. The analysis you see in front of you is just for transparency, to show you everything is real. Our actual system works with deeper logic, structured execution, and controlled risk management. After selecting the market, we moved to bot, where our bot was already configured and ready. We carefully applied our settings. Volatility 51-second selected. Stop loss set at $800. Take profit set at $1,600. Stake size set at $158.54. After confirming everything, we started the bot. This is where discipline matters the most. No panic, no emotional decisions, just trusting the process. When you follow a structured system, you remove confusion from your decisions. Every successful trader understands one thing. Consistency comes from control, not from randomness. When you stay patient, your strategy gets the space to perform. Growth is not about chasing quick results. It is about repeating the right process again and again. Confidence is built when you understand what you are doing. When you understand your system, fear starts to disappear. Every step you take adds to your experience, and every experience improves your decision-making. You do not need to rush. You need to stay consistent. Success is built on discipline, not on shortcuts. When you stay committed, results follow naturally. This is not the first challenge we have completed. We have done this many times. And every time we have shown real execution, real results. And now, let's talk about today's performance. After launching our premium bot, it took just 16 minutes. To reach our take profit target, the bot executed around 112 trades, 105 wins, and 7 losses. And everything is clearly visible in the video. We secured approximately $1,608 profit from a $7,415 account. This is structured execution. This is controlled trading. Day 3 of the challenge is completed. We deliver what we planned. This journey is not about one day. It is about consistency across days. We started this challenge to show you what disciplined execution looks like. And this is what happens when strategy meets consistency. The journey is still going, and we will continue sharing every step with you. If you want to be part of this journey, if you want to understand the system, message us on WhatsApp. We are here to guide you step by step. You can also visit our website, www.alfaderibit.com. There you can explore our system, understand the logic, and see how everything is structured. We are building something long-term, something practical, and something consistent. This is not about promises. This is about process. Stay connected, stay focused, and get ready for the next update.